we're gonna roll out our pie dough. Okay, so we made enough for the pie plate and for the top. So typically what I like to do is about 2/3, a little bit more than 2/3 for the plate and 1/3 for the top. So we're just gonna cut it there. Put that aside. Take your roller, we're gonna flour that. Let's roll this out. I like to reform this into a bit of a ball, just so I'm not chasing the shape. Yeah, that should be good. Okay. I don't think I'm an expert at rolling out pie dough, but this is how I do it. I'm constantly spinning it and flipping it just so I can make sure I maintain that circle shape. I flip it over in the flour and it seems to work out every single time. So I must be doing something right. Don't worry if you get these little broken edges. You can fix that towards the end. Just start to aim for the right shape. Okay, so at this point, I start trying to fix the dough. Okay, so it's feeling like it's right around the right size. Easiest way to tell, you just hold your pie plate over it. You want this, because you know it's got to travel up through the side and you want some overhang on this